Hey everyone, I am Siddheshwara Gajula and welcome to my channel. This is video 2 on auto layout series. In this video, I will show you how to create Instagram post UI card. If you don't know how to use auto layout and what is auto layout, you can watch my introduction to auto layout video. In this video, I explain what is auto layout and what are the properties of auto layout. You can find link in the description. Alright, here I have a UI card wireframe. We can divide this UI card into three sections: header, body, and footer. First, let's create header. Select ellipse tool and create 30 pixel width and 30 pixel height circle. This will have a profile picture. Let's add a picture. Open Unsplash plugin and search for a portrait image and select a photo. Now, photo added to circle. Let's create username and location. Select type tool and create username. Font size is 16 pixel and font weight is bold. Now, copy the username and change to location. Set font size to 12 pixel and opacity to 50%. Then select these two text layers and create auto layout. Okay, now go to iconfinder.com and search for more icon. Download a suitable icon, then import to Figma file. Now select these three and add auto layout. Now let's create an image section. Select a rectangle tool and create a rectangle. Open Unsplash and search for image and select any one. Next, let's create a footer section with icons. Here I have icons. First, copy, like, comment, and share icons and paste into working file. Again, copy save icon and paste into working file. Now select these icons and apply to auto layout. In right panel, change direction to horizontal. Select save icon and place that next to the three icons. Then select both and add auto layout. Move these icons at the bottom of the image. Now select type tool and create views count text and apply auto layout. So now we have all elements ready. Select all elements and add outer auto layout. This will create auto layout frame around all elements. Now add 1 pixel stroke to outer layout and corner radius 10 pixel. Now let's resize and see how elements work. If you see, elements are not adapting the outer frame width. To achieve this, we need to apply resizing properties to inner elements. First, let's select header frame and change to fill container. And select username frame and change to fill container. Now select image and change to fill container. Okay, so far it's looking good. Now select icons frame and change to fill container. Select left side icons frame and change to fill container. Now let's check again how elements adapting when we resize the card. Yes, now every element adapting to the card width when we are changing the card size. Now we need padding for header and icon section, but image should be 100%. First select header and give padding 10 pixel for left, right and top. And select footer icon section and give padding 10 for left, right and bottom. And there we have it. Instagram post UI card with auto layout that works as a responsive. I hope you understand how to create UI card using auto layout. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Like and subscribe for more videos. Have a good day.